Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a chatterbox and you guys are going to watch me. So first you will need a nice piece of paper like this and start by folding it like that. Need some scissors, which I will be basically using like right now. You will need these four colours. You will need red, blue, green and yellow. So let's get into it. So start by doing this fold, right? And then you want to fold this part up like this. Let me just show you. Like this. And then you want to get the scissors, guys. And then you want to cut this. Here guys, let me just. So you need to cut this part. So you need to cut where the line is. Cut just along there to make a square. I'm pretty sure you all know how to do that because you've probably done it before. You want to cut that off. Now you should have a square like this, and it's already got that fold for you. Now fold it the opposite side and make it look like this, guys. Like that. Then what you want to do next is this. Nearly done. Okay. And then you should have this by now if you've been seeing. Now you want to flip that over and see these four squares. Now this is what you want to do next. You want to get this corner and pull it down like that, like this. This is the easiest way to show you. And then just fold it down. And once you've done that, you should have this. And now it's time to use those colours. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you'll also need a little pen or pencil, whatever you've got. And you will be going to write numbers from 1 to 8 along, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can do it too. Pause the video if you're stuck. Should have numbers now. 1, 2, blah, blah, blah. Now for the colours. I'm using Sharpies, guys, so maybe be sure to put this extra paper. This is the way I do it, but you don't have to. And then you can just go ahead, put that paper under it, so you can not get your marker all over your thing. Sorry guys, maybe just pause the video while you're colouring it too. Remember, red, blue, yellow and green. Okay. I'm hoping yours will look a lot better than mine because mine looks so bad. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like for more video tutorials on how to make stuff like this. Like about a year ago, I made a video on how to draw something. More videos like that. You're gonna get more of this, and soon you'll be an origami master. So I've just finished the red part. I'm just going to skip right along so you can colour the rest of this, but I'm just going to go straight into what we have to do next because I don't have that much time. Now what you want to do is you want to fold where between the 5 and the 6. I know it looks the wrong way because the camera's where it's facing. And you want to fold it like that. Except you want to do it the other way. Until you have it the right way, where you have all the squares. And then you want to put all your fingers, the thumb and the index, into the 2 ones on both your hands. And then you push it into the good grip. And put it like that. Make some finishing touches. Draw whatever you want on it, guys. I just showed you how to make a good one. And then you can go ahead and play with your friends. Say color red, R-E-D. Say number 2, 1, 2. Pick another number, 5. And you can write inside like your chicken or something. And that is how you make a Chatterbox. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Bye!